everyone, it is Mona here at Craft Lodge, and today is another Coaster Friday. We are going to be making a super cute coaster for Halloween. So let's get to it. So I mixed 1 ounce of resin. I'm going to use some very fine black glitter. This black glitter is really pretty. Then I'm going to add some blue because I want there to be different colors. And then I'm going to add a lighter blue also. And I'll start mixing that up, see what it looks like. Then I'm going to take some thicker white, kind of whitish, clearish flakes, and I'm going to throw some in there, just again to give it lots of different things going on. And there's no right or wrong amount, you just go for it. Okay, here we go. Looking good. All you have to do then is pour it right into the mold. And the beauty of resin is it's kind of going to become whatever it wants to become. So no matter how you mix the glitter or what you do, it's going to kind of blend together any way it wants to. And all of it is beautiful, so it just doesn't matter. And if for some reason it doesn't go to the edge, you can always take your stir stick and help it along. Now I'm going to take my heat gun and I'm going to pop the bubbles. I'm gonna let this sit for 12 hours and then we're gonna come back and paint on it. Okay, our resin is cured and this is such an easy Halloween project. All you need is black and white acrylic paint, a paintbrush. I'm using a rounded brush. You just decide where you wanna start them and then just come down and let it sort of drift off at the end. Now, because I have the glitter in here, I have like little pocks here, so don't be worrying about that at all. Just fill it in if they bother you and brush over them. Okay, we're gonna let that dry. Once the white paint is dry, all you need to do is put a couple eyes on here. And then if you want, you can make your ghost smile. It could be mad, it could be screaming, it could be anything. I'm just gonna give him a little smile, just like that. Now we're gonna let that dry and we could put a layer of resin on them. Here's our little ghost all dry, and I wanted to put a name on here so you can see, you can personalize these too. So I'm just gonna put my niece's name on here because she happens to love ghosts. So I'm gonna try to kind of center it. There we go. I'm ready to put the last layer on the ghost coaster. So I'm gonna pour some resin on there. Okay, now I'm gonna hit it with my heat gun. Pop any bubbles. Our little ghost is ready to be taken out of the mold. There it is. It's actually not completely opaque, so that kind of makes it even more fun. You could drill a hole right into it, make it like a little hang-up ornament. Whatever you want to do to it or with it is perfect. But it's fun. It can be used as a coaster, or you can make an ornament out of it. Either way, I think she'll like it, but be sure to let me know what you think down in the comments below. I hope you like the coaster. I'm gonna give it to my niece, and I know she'll love it because she just loves ghosts, and look how sparkly that is. But just think, you can personalize it for anyone, and it's just about as easy as can be, and super cute. So let me know what you think about it down in the comments below, and if you want to see other coasters that I've made, be sure to check these out. And I'll definitely see you next time. Remember, life's too short not to shimmer, so grab your glue gun and your glitter, and I'll see you over there.